Today I'm going to show you how to fillet a black cod. Turn a black cod from this into this. You're going to go ahead and pull that side fin up. And I like to cut in towards the head, slice all the way down, come through, and then just nice, even strokes all the way down. I'm going to flip it around, do the exact same thing on this side. Pull that fin back, go ahead and slice it up. Cut in, down, and then just run along that skeleton. Let me show you again. Pull that fin back, slice in, cut towards the fillet, and then just run along that bone. Same thing on the other side. Pull that fin back, slice in, curve your knife, and just ride that backbone. Now, of course, you also have these rib bones, right? So what I like to do is, you're gonna wanna do is, I will just cut right around them. Cut those bad boys out of there. And to skin them, you don't want to take it on this end. You want to cut in towards that skin. Then once you get in, you just want to hold it steady, and just run along that skin. You want to make your knife almost parallel, but with just enough of an angle to where it's facing downwards right along your table. And then just like that, you have fillets.